Today, our City Council members and I enacted a city ordinance declaring a local disaster in the City of Tomball. We didn't take this action lightly, but our responsibility is to protect the citizens of Tomball, and this declaration will help us do just that. The local disaster declaration will have an immediate impact on our emergency management efforts by helping to ensure that we receive state and federal reimbursements for costs associated with our COVID-19 response. It will aid us in obtaining protective equipment for our first responders, and it will enhance our mutual aid capabilities. Nothing about today's actions change anything for the members of our community at this time, but we are still open. We are not in crisis mode, and we should not panic. But we should continue to be Tomball and support our friends and family while being mindful of the precautions that have been set up to slow the spread of this virus. Additionally, I'd like to thank you for taking the threat of coronavirus seriously while remaining calm and measured. This is a very unusual situation for us, but I'm convinced that if we continue to take responsible precautions to minimize the opportunity for spread, we will get through this without severe impact to our community. While the coronavirus is new to us, managing critical incidents is not. Our city team has been working closely with our emergency management partners at all levels of government, as well as our local corporate and community stakeholders. We're continually monitoring the situation, and I assure you that my fellow council members and I, with the support of city staff, are prepared to respond as necessary to any eventuality.
The City of Tomball Fire Department is currently operating under normal operations. As with every day of the year and continuing through the current situation, we will provide the same exceptional level of service that we've been known for 86 years. In conjunction with the Northwest Community Health, the Tomball Police Department, and Harris County, we've changed our dispatch protocols to add some extra screening questions about travel and illness. But your responses will not stop our emergency response to a major situation. Additionally, our personnel are taking extra precautions to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Tomball Public Works Department is fully operational and is still providing exceptional customer service. All trash and recycling operations are still occurring on schedule. Our city utilities of water, sewer, and gas services are fully operational, and our parks continue to be open. Our employees are committed to ensuring that your utilities and services function as they always have.
As we move forward as a community, the Tomball Police Department wants to ensure that everybody knows that we will continue police operations as usual. We will continue to respond to emergencies and calls for service, investigate criminal offenses, enforce state and local laws, check in your homes and businesses, and be available and accessible to our community. The Tomball Police Department will provide the same level of service as we have in years past, and we will also be taking extra safety precautions to stop the spread, just like everybody else. We have already deployed additional resources to ensure the city remains safe. Remember, as we move forward, that we are one community, united, and it takes all of us to keep Tomball safe.